Slope is a value that must be calculated as part of your application if your property is in a shoreland area or if you are selecting a location for an on-site sewage treatment system. Slope is important to St. Louis County because steeper slopes require increased attention with respect to runoff and erosion issues. In simplest terms, slope is the change in height over a horizontal distance. This simple formula is often expressed as rise over run. Multiplying this value by 100 converts it into a percentage. Slopes of 6% or less are of relatively little concern, although good erosion controls like natural vegetation are still important. A quick method for estimating whether slope is more or less than 6% can be done by two adults standing 100 feet apart and facing one another. Using a notebook or another flat surface to block anything below the horizontal sightline, if the person on the uphill side can still see any part of the downhill person's body, then the slope is most likely less than 6%. If you estimate that your slope exceeds 6%, a more precise measurement will be needed. There is a simple way to determine this using a few common items and some easy math calculations. You will need a 50-inch board, a carpenter's level, and a tape measure. Place the board flat on the ground at a good representative location with the length going up and down the slope being measured. Set the level on the 50-inch board and lift the lower end of the board up until it is horizontal. Now measure the plumb line distance in inches from the raised end of the level board to the ground. To determine the slope, divide this number by 50, the length of the board, then multiply by 100 to express this value as a percentage. To ensure the most accurate measurement of slope over the whole area, you should repeat these steps at several different spots that are representative of your property. Then calculate the average percent slope. Slope information is an important part of your application. It is important to the county, and using the information you have about the slope of your land is important for helping you make decisions that will protect our resources and enhance your enjoyment of the property.